Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will guide you through the step-by-step process of registering for a Wise multi-currency account. Follow these easy steps to start managing your money in multiple currencies efficiently. Step 1. Visit the Wise website. Go to the official Wise website at www.wise.com. You can access the site on your desktop or mobile device. Step 2. Click on Register. Once you're on the home page, click on the Register button located in the top right corner. This will take you to the sign up page. Step 3. Provide your email address. Enter your email address in the designated field. Make sure to use a valid email that you have access to, as you'll need it for account verification. Step 4. Create a password. Choose a strong password for your account. It should be at least 8 characters long and include a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters for security. Step 5. Click on Sign Up. After filling in your email and password, click the Sign Up button. You will receive a verification email shortly. Step 6. Verify your email. Check your inbox for the verification email from Wise. Open the email and click on the verification link to confirm your account. Step 7. Complete your profile. Once your email is verified, you will be directed to complete your profile. Fill in your personal information, including your full name, address, and date of birth. Step 8. Add your phone number. Enter your mobile phone number. Wise will send you a confirmation code via SMS for security purposes. Step 9. Verify your phone number. Check your phone for the SMS code and enter it in the provided field to verify your number. Step 10. Set up your security features. Choose additional security options, such as two-factor authentication to enhance your account's safety. Step 11. Add a payment method. Link your bank account or credit debit card to your Wise account. This will enable you to deposit funds and make transfers. Step 12. Explore your account. Once everything is set up, explore your new multi-currency account. You can now hold and manage multiple currencies easily and start saving on currency conversion fees. Thank you for following our step-by-step guide to registering for a Wise multi-currency account. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more helpful tips.